We're going to learn our 1, 2, 3 animals, animals. Come along and sing with me. Count on your animal friends. And the very first number is 1. One baby in a pouch. Down under. It's a funny name for Australia. Down under, there's a special little one. Joey was a baby kangaroo. And his mummy said, now watch what kangaroos do. We'll go hopping like this across Australia. So hold on tight, one baby in a pouch. Ouch! He was down under, where it's safe and warm and snuggly. Down under, where it's softer than a couch. Down under, it's great when you feel cuddly. Down under, one baby in mommy's pouch. Ouch! Joey went on walkabout one day, and one koala said, hello, good day. He met one possum and one emu too. And what did the cockatoo see? One kangaroo. He looked down under, where the platypuses swim. Down under, and one swam away from him. Joey went bouncing round the bush, one little roo in a rush. At the end of the day, the sun went away, and he heard one voice say, Joey, it's sleep time. So down under, where it's safe and warm and snuggly. Down under, in one special pouch. Down under, as his mommy tucked him in, she said, sleep tight, Joey. Oh. You're my number one. One baby in a pouch. One is where we make a start. Animals, animals, sing along, all take part. Count on your animal friends. And the very next number after 1 is 2. 2 eyes. Eyes. Whoa. Look at those eyes. Whoa. Look at the way they look at you. How many? 1, 2. 2 eyes. High in a treetop, a wise old owl was thinking. 2 big eyes, staring, hardly blinking. 1, 2. Meanwhile, far away in the distance, under the deep blue sea, the mantis shrimp said, hey fish, look at me. So the fish spies, whoa, with his 2 big eyes, whoa, 2 little eyes bouncing on a stalk, and a very strange walk. The mantis looks for danger and runs away from every stranger. Now his eyes have found a flatfish called a flounder. 1, 2. This shrimp can see more colors than either you or me. So what a wonderful world it must be under the sea. 2. So whether you're a boy or girl or hippopotamus, eyes are how we see the world, and it sees us. Meanwhile, it was night in the treetop, and the owl said, I'll go flying soon, 'cause I can see in the dark with a little help from the moon.
1, 2.
There's different colors and sizes, with some very strange surprises. Oh, you wouldn't believe your eyes, the things to be seen with those eyes. Whoa, look at those eyes. Whoa, look at the way they look at you. Red, yellow, and blue.
2 eyes.
1, 2. Animals, animals. 1, 2. Count on your animal friends, and the very next number after 2 is 3. 3 bears. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, that's how it goes. Stand up like bears do, dance nose to nose. Give it a try, no one's counting the faults. You're doing the 1, 2, 3 waltz. Da 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 da. Bears, bears, bears. Count all the bears, bears, bears. 3! I'm sure that you've all heard the story of the 3 bears and that Goldilocks child. Well, we don't really live in a cottage, 'cause bears are at home in the wild. And no one's been eating our porridge, 'cause porridge is not what bears eat. What we like to chew is an insect or two, or apples, acorns, berries, grass. There's Dad, Mum,
Me.
big, middle size and
Tiny.
Dad, Mum.
Me.
That makes 3. 3 bears, 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 bears. 3! Oh, Mum said she'd take us all fishing, so I jumped in to catch me a stack. But it's cold and it's deep and it's moving, so I think I'll just stay on her back. I love it just being a bear cub. There's so much to learn from your mum, like walking on snow, and when to let go, and when to hold on for dear life. Dad, Mum,
Me.
big, middle size and
Tiny.
Dad, Mum.
Me.
That makes 3. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Polar bears know how to stay warm in the coldest of snow. We just snug down here when everything halts. Even the 1, 2, 3 waltz. Even the 1, 2, 3 waltz. There's Dad, Mum.
Me.
Someone's been sleeping in my bed. Can't you see? It's a great big 3. 1, 2, 3. Whee! Animals, animals. 1, 2, 3. Whee! Count on your animal friends, and the very next number after 3 is 4. 4 legs. Going up, up, up.
Hello, I'm a giraffe.
Down on the plains in Africa, there's a baby 6 feet tall. He's shaking his head 'cause he's just been born, and he had a long way to fall. And way up, past 1, 2, three, four, knees. His mummy's voice says, baby giraffe, stay close by them, please. Those 1, 2, 3, 4 knees. 4. Down on the plains in Africa, where the mighty lions roar, I like to play with all my friends. Who could ask for more? And way up, from 1, 2, 3, 4 feet. If you can put up with those thorns, there's lovely leaves to eat. And Mum goes, la la lick, la 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 lick. Look at that tongue, it's long.
And sticky.
Ch-ch-chew, ch-ch-ch-ch-chew. 1, 2, 3, 4, lick, chew, licky. Going down, down, down.
Hello.
My mum is taller than a tree, and she says that the view is great. One day I'll grow as big as her. Well, I can hardly wait. She bends way down, way down, way, way down to drink. And if you'd like to count those legs, you'll find there's 4, I think. Those 1, 2, 3, 4 legs. 4. Drink, drink. Bend at the knees, let your body sink. Peck, peck, and the birds get the bugs before you can blink. Off those 1, 2, 3, 4 legs. 4. 1, 2, 3, 4 animals, animals. 1, 2, 3, 4. Count on your animal friends. And the very next number after 4 is 5. 5 crocodiles.
5.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
5.
There's a crocodile by the river Nile with a toothy smile and short fat legs. But don't be fooled by those if she appears to doze, 'cause she can move like lightning when she likes. So give me 5 minutes and listen to this song. Give me 5 minutes. You can count along. I'll show you 5 things that might make you run a mile. 5 ways to be a crocodile. Give me 5. There's a crocodile by the river Nile, and she's sitting on her favorite rock. Crocodile Rock! Well, she can hear her batch, 'cause they're about to hatch. They're calling to her from inside those eggs.
Here we are.
Say, give me 5 minutes to break out of this shell. Give me 5 minutes. I'm hungry, can't you tell? Just show us 5 things with an interesting smell. 5 ways to be a crocodile.
Give me 5.
Well, a slide in the mud can make you feel good. 5 out of 5.
For style.
Or there's a shady, shady pool where it's quiet and cool. But what are these crazy things upon my back? 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5. There's a butterfly drinking from Mum's eye. They're not crocodile tears.
'Cause we don't cry.
Well, d'you ever see a bird look quite so absurd as this one standing on my mummy's tail? So give me 5 minutes. Listen to this song. Give me 5 minutes. You can count along. I'll show you 5 things that might make you run a mile. 5 ways to be a crocodile.
1.
Legs,
2.
eggs,
3.
scales,
4.
teeth,
5.
tail. That's 5 ways to be a crocodile.
Give me 5.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5 animals. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 friends. And the very next number after 5 is 6. 6 birds. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 beautiful birds. The ostrich is a big bird who can't fly. But when it comes to running, my oh my. The jacana is the very best of dads. He tries to keep his babies on those lily pads. Birds of a feather, long legs like sticks. Now let's go find that 6.
6.
To be a penguin must be very nice. But only if you're fond of snow and ice. And the booby birds like showing off their feet.
Pretty feet.
And they love to dance to a feathery kind of beat. That's neat. Birds underwater, some dancing tricks. Let's fly and look for 6.
6.
Birds are big and birds are small. We could not show them all. So we've just chosen 6 for you, each with a different call. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The hummingbird can hover while he flies. He's so tiny that you won't believe your eyes. And the parrots in the forest feed their chicks. They're cracking nuts. Hey, did you see that 6? Washing in raindrops, a very colorful mix. Now here they are, those 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 beautiful birds.
6.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 animals. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 friends. And the very next number after 6 is 7. 7 tails.
7.
Once there was a lemur, Louis was his name. He said, I'm so unhappy, 'cause our tails all look the same. I'd like to try some others, this tail just isn't me. Then he heard a mysterious voice that said, you can choose from 7 tails, so make a wish and see.
7.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 tails. So Louis closed his eyes and he wished to have the most enormous tail. And suddenly he found he was a whale. He quite enjoyed the splashing and the diving too, but wondered what another wish would do.
7.
He said, I like the swimming, but perhaps not quite so big. So how about a beaver? They build dams with a twig. But working like a beaver is not to everyone's taste. So Louis said,
I'm tired.
that's a wish I'll have to waste. So he closed his eyes again and said, I think we'd better look towards the east, to make my tail more beautiful at least. So he turned into a peacock and thought, my, oh my, it must be heavy when you try to fly. No thanks.
7.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 tails. He said, let's try a lizard, one that's big and rare. But this Komodo dragon was more than he could bear. What about a rattlesnake? The ones with noisy tails. He didn't like that either. He said, I'd rather not have scales. He wished to do a handstand like a skunk, but didn't realize quite how they stunk. They used that smell to chase away an enemy. So Louis said, that's not for me. He said, I've seen how lots of others live, and I know that we all have a lot to give. So I'll just stop my wishing and be glad I'm me. Then my song of 7 tails ends happily. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 tails.
The end.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 friends. And the very next number after 7 is 8. 8 arms. We've had our 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. How about an 8? An octopus set out one day under the sea, far away. She thought it truly would be great to find the number 8.
There it is. Behind you.
First she met a big starfish, and on that star she made a wish that she would not have long to wait to find the number 8. Whoosh, she went sideways. Whoosh, she went down. She walked with all her arms on the seabed and turned a greeny brown. Whoosh, gently gliding. Whoosh, through the sea. Then what did she see swimming? It doesn't look like an 8 to me. It's a funny-faced sunfish. We don't want 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It's 8 we're looking for. She's a very clever octopus, though she may not look a lot like us. She's got a brain and she can think and move quick as a wink. Whoosh, she went sideways. Whoosh, she went down. She walked with all her arms on the seabed and turned a greeny brown. Whoosh, she tried hiding. Whoosh, she doesn't like fuss. Then what did she see walking? It doesn't look like an 8 to us. They're crayfish in a line. She said, I would appreciate if you fish could help me find an 8. I know it's getting rather late, so help me if you can. So the fish said, it's easy. Let us demonstrate. If you count your arms, you'll find there's a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So the octopus went home happy and curled up in her nest. 'Cause when it comes to cuddling, she knows 8 arms are best. Whoosh, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 friends. And the very next number after 8 is 9. 9 cats. There are cats, big and small, in the family called feline. And in this song Roar! One is the tiger sitting in a pool. Two is the lion in a family as a rule. Three is the leopard who lives up in the trees. And four is the cheetah, the fastest cat with ease. Creeping through the jungle, sitting on the mat. It's just another day in the 9 lives of those 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
Meow.
Roar! 9. Five is the caracal, the best jumper I know. 6 is the lynx, who loves it in the snow. 7 is the serval, the one with great big ears. And 8 is the ocelot. First you see him, then he disappears. Hiding in the jungle, snoozing on the mat. It's just another night in the 9 lives of a cat. There's one more life before we go. 9 is a cat, I'm sure you know. Always asking, hey, what's that? 'Cause 9 is a little pussycat. Creeping through the jungle, scratching on the mat. It's just another day in the 9 lives of those 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
Meow.
Roar, cats. 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 is where this counting ends. Count on your animal friends. And the very next number after 9 is 10. 10 fingers. Can you see
10.
icky sticky fingers? Can you see
10.
curly whirly toes? Have you got
10.
icky sticky fingers? Go and ask, I bet your mummy knows. I look like a monkey, but I'm a chimpanzee. Africa is where we live, my friends and me. I'll show you round the forest and teach you what we do. If I can be a chimp, ooh, I'm sure you could be too.
Wait for me.
The first thing that you learn is how to hold on tight. I don't think Mum will drop me, but you never know.
She might.
So hands are very useful for grabbing hold of fur. And wherever she goes, I won't let go of her. 'Cause I've got
10.
icky sticky fingers. I've got
10.
curly whirly toes. Have you got
10.
icky sticky fingers? Go and ask, I bet your mummy knows. I'm a little chimp and I'm hungry as can be. So we're going fishing, just my mum and me. But fishing for those termites is really quite a trick. It isn't all that easy to reach them with a stick.
But Mum can.
And I've got
10.
icky sticky fingers. I've got
10.
curly whirly toes. Have you got
10.
icky sticky fingers? Go and ask, I know your mummy knows. Hands and fingers help you do all kinds of things. Cracking nuts with pebbles, eating bugs with wings. And when it comes to swinging way up above the ground, we couldn't do without them. Hey,
What's that funny sound?
oh, I've got
10.
icky sticky fingers. I've got
10.
curly whirly toes. Have you got
10.
icky sticky fingers? Go and ask, I know your mummy knows. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Start again.
Count on your animal friends. But backwards this time. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Then none. That's 0. No animals at all. 0. We use numbers to count lots of animals.
But is there a number for none?
Yes, the word that we use is called 0. It's what's left when everything's gone. The pot-two bird is very hard to see. Where, oh, where, oh. So unless you're looking very carefully, you'll see 0.
0.
Now you see me.
Now you don't.
First I come out,
Then I won't.
you can't catch me, because before you know, all that's left is 0. The widow bird is jumping funnily, high, low. But when he's hiding in the grass, you'll see 0.
0.
Now you see me.
Now you don't.
First I come out,
Then I won't.
bouncy, bouncy, and before you know, all you see is 0. There's lots of animals that disappear. You're looking at them, then they just aren't here. How do we count them when they've had to go? We just say there's 0. The weaver fish is hiding in the sand, down below. Before your very eyes he digs in and you'll see 0.
0.
Now you see me.
Now you don't.
First I come out,
Then I won't.
wriggle, wriggle, and before you know, all you see is 0. So draw a 0, come and have a go. It looks a little like the letter O. And in the middle there is nothing to show. Just like a 0. All gone? 0. Looks like an O. 0. We're going to learn our 1, 2, 3 animals, animals. Come along and sing with me. Count on your animal friends. The numbers 1 to 10. You meet time and again. So don't be one who just pretends. Count on your animal friends. Yes, count on your animal friends. Let's count up to 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Animals, animals. 1, 2, 3, 4. Count on your animal friends. 1, baby kangaroo. 2, eyes looking. 3, bears in a family. 4, long legs. Now let's count up to 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, baby kangaroo. 2, eyes looking. 3, bears in a family. 4, long legs. 5, lazy crocodile. 6, birds flying. 7, tails up in a tree. 8 is an octopus. Yes. Numbers really count to work out any amount. But whether you can or not depends. If you count on your animal friends, yes, it's what he recommends. Now, let's count up to 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Start again.
Count on your animal friends. 1, baby kangaroo. 2, eyes looking. 3, bears in a family. 4, long legs. 5, lazy crocodile. 6, birds flying. 7, tails up in a tree. 8 is an octopus. 9, lives of a cat. 10, sticky fingers. And that gives us a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Start again.
But backwards this time. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Then none. That's 0. Nothing at all. But you can count on your animal friends. 1, baby kangaroo. 2, eyes looking. 3, bears in a family. 4, long legs. 5, lazy crocodile. 6, birds flying. 7, tails up in a tree. 8 is an octopus. 9, lives of a cat. 10, sticky fingers. Count on your animal friends.